Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for smart software walkthroughs and tech tutorials made simple. In today's video, we are diving into Trafft, the smart and easy to use scheduling and booking software designed to streamline appointments, automate workflows, and save you hours every week. Whether you're a coach, consultant, beauty expert, or business owner, this tool can completely transform the way you manage your bookings. So we will walk you through the dashboard, show you how to set up services, manage staff availability, accept payments, and more. So grab your coffee, hit that like button, and let's begin. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website at trafft.com. On the top corner, you have the option to log in using your credentials. But of course, we all know that the better option is to click the sign up button. If you do, you will be forwarded here. It's very simple. To get a 14-day full access, you just have to provide all the information needed. And to make the account creation faster and easier, you can sign up using your Google, Apple, Facebook, or LinkedIn. And then after that, you need to select a theme for your business. You can use a light, blossom, Everest, ocean, neo, Brooklyn, honeycomb, and dark. I'm going to use the dark or honeycomb right now and click the create your account because this is helping the Trafft to provide a customizable dashboard in the algorithm depending on your preferences. And if you do that, what will happen is you will be forwarded to the main platform. If you are having issues with the website, if you can't access it, you might want to use a VPN and make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. And as you may notice, that Trafft offers a user-friendly interface. The UI is very clean, and do not be overwhelmed with all of the things that you see here. We are going to explain all of these in the left side area of our navigation. Now, the calendar is where you view and manage all upcoming appointments in a visual layout, as you can see from here. You can choose to view it as daily, weekly, or monthly, and you can filter by employee, service, or location, and make quick edits or reschedule with a drag and drop functionality. For example, if you want to add an appointment, let's say in this service, it's like a 30 minutes one-on-one, you can do that and choose the customer. If you don't have a customer yet, we're going to add a new one right here, providing the first name as, let's say, okay, so we are going to use the this one right here. Okay, so Trafft. Let's click the add customer. And the email is something like maybe test email for now. Click the add customer, and we're going to add the this one right here, and we're gonna choose that and send the notification. For the time, let's say it's 9 a.m. and click the save button. So we have added our first activity here in Trafft. And then obviously the dashboard is the snapshot of your business at a glance. You have like appointment status, revenue, upcoming bookings, employee performance, and customer activity. It's the control center where you can monitor your operations in real time. Since this is a newly created account, we don't have anything yet in place. Now we have created the appointments right here. Remember? So the appointments and the calendar works both hand in hand. You can see the full list of past, current, and upcoming appointments, allowing you to filter, sort, add new appointments manually, or manage cancellations and reschedules. Obviously, the employees is where you manage your team here. You can add an employee right here. All right. We're going to add a new one. So this is our new employee. Okay, so the employee is this one, and click the add employee. Now, if you do that, employees can also have a separate login access if enabled. All right. Gonna click that, and you can set the working hours, assign services and locations, and manage individual calendars from here. All right. And then the customers is the CRM-like section for managing all your clients. It stores contacts information, booking history, payment details, and notes. And of course, you can manually add or edit customers and view their engagement. So you have that. You can export the data, import data, and there's the three dots icon here where you can edit, block customer, delete customer, or enable profile. You have all that options for you. These services define what your business offers. From here, you can add your service. So we are going to drag and drop our file. So that's going to be the photo for our business. Click on done. And the service name is, color is going to be the best that reflects our brand and logo. Description, if you want, you can put that here and you can be creative, right? And then from here, click the add service. The duration is something like an hour. Price is set to 0 for now, and we have added our service here. Okay, so since you are defining what your business offers, you can create different services, set duration, buffer times, prices, assign specific employees for this, and add extras or variations. And obviously, the location is very useful for businesses with multiple branches or service areas. It lets you add and manage different physical locations, each with its own schedule, employees, and services. If you want to add a location, it's very simple. All right, just provide all the information and drop a file here to upload. All right, it's up to you. So we're going to skip this for now, and I'm going to show you about the finances where you can track your income, payment methods, invoices, transactions, including revenue summaries, coupons, payment statuses, and exportable data for accounting or tax reporting. So if you have the time, you want to make sure that you explore all of these at your own pace, because it requires a learning curve for you to get familiar with all of these. And then we're going to go to the features and integrations. This will give you to enable or disable various features like coupons, groupings. You have a calendar for Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, Outlook, and Zoom. And you have all the payment methods here like Stripe, PayPal, Square. You can connect all of these tools for more enhanced workflow automation, right? For reviews, for bookings, you have like a Reserve with Google, WordPress, Chatbot, custom fields, and for marketing and promotion, you have a combo mail, MailChimp, and SendFox. And for email and notifications, you have WhatsApp, SMTP email, and a lot more. And the ratings and reviews is where you collect and manage customer feedback. You can view submitted reviews, respond to them, and even control which are publicly visible. Great for building trust and improving service quality. If you feel that Trafft is going to be the service that answers your business needs, I want you to click the upgrade button. Since we are using the free plan, you might want to scale up to the starter, which is $7.9 per month, and you get to have all these. The scaling is at $24.9. You get to have all these perks and benefits, and the enterprise is at $200. But again, don't worry, because you can try the platform for free for 14 days, absolutely at no cost. Immerse yourself and try to get familiarized with the tools here in Trafft. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching our walkthrough on how to use Trafft. It is a streamlined, user-friendly tool built for professionals and teams who need automated scheduling, online bookings, and real-time availability all in one clean dashboard. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or managing multiple staff across locations, Trafft delivers flexibility and efficiency. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.